Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a cardio kickboxing for beginners. So basically we're going to focus on two main punches. That's going to be the jab and the cross. We're going to go ahead and learn the stance, and then we're going to go ahead and do a 10-minute workout for beginners. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so before we can even jump into cardio kickboxing, we got to get into our proper stance. So if you're a right hand, your power hand is going to go in the back. We consider that hand to be the cross. Your rear leg is going to step back, and your lead leg is going to be forward. Elbows tucked in, head, chin down, and then this is your fighting position. Now, if you're left-handed, it's going to be the opposite. Whereas your power hand is going to be your left hand, and then your jabbing hand is going to be your lead hand. So this is something like this. So I'm a right-handed, so my jab is going to be on my right hand, and my cross. Now for this workout, we're going to focus on two punches. It's going to be the jab and the cross, and we're going to give it a number as the jab is the 1, all the lead numbers 1, and the rear number is going to be 2. So we're going to do a 1 and a 2. So 10-minute workout. So let's get right into this cardio kickboxing for beginners. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and do a warm-up, 2-minute jumping jacks. Now, as a beginner, it's okay if your form isn't perfect. We just want to go ahead and just go over, just get in the swing of things. So don't worry if your form isn't perfect. So now we're just warming up like jumping jacks. So don't forget the jab, the lead jab is going to be the 1, and the rear number 2 is going to be the cross. I want to do them with 1, 2. Sorry for the background noises out here. I'm at the playground, so people are cutting grass and making everything look nice and beautiful for the summer. If you got some music, go ahead and turn that on to get motivated. All right, so the combo gonna be 1, 1, 2. Fighting position. The jab hand is my lead hand. We're doing it for 1 minute. All right, active rest. All right, so we're gonna do jump rope for jumping jack for 30 seconds. All right, the basic jab cross, fighting step. 1, 2. When you're throwing that cross, you want to rotate your hip and shoulder.
Rest.
30-second active rest. All right.
Combo 1, 2, 2.
All right, so we'll do jab, cross, cross. So 1, 2, 2. It's something like 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. You can go like this. 1, 2, 2.
Rest.
All right, 30-second rest. Active rest. So make sure you're doing the technique nice and slow. It don't have to be perfect, as long as you're getting your moving your body. Like I said, this is good for muscle endurance, stamina, and muscular strength.
Combo 1, 1, 1, 2.
So it's gonna be jab, 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 real cross. 3 jabs. 1, 2, 3, cross.
Rest.
30-second rest. Active rest, like I said. We're doing jumping jacks to help with our cardio. This is a staple exercise of calisthenics. Love jumping jacks.
Combo 1, 2, 3.
All right, the final combo gonna be, it's gonna be the jab, cross, then we're throwing a hook. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool down, okay. All right, everyone. So we're in the 2-minute cool down period, 1 minute. So that's what I see. I'm gonna start doing different exercises besides the rebounding workout. I just got into kickboxing courses about 2 or 3 months ago. And I just want to expand this channel to things that I'm interested in, so I can have more of a passion to create more content. So if you like this content, you help the channel just by liking, subscribing. My techniques aren't that perfect right now because I'm still beginning kickboxing, but I really have a passion for doing martial arts, and I want to implement more of that on the channel. So I am going to be doing rebounding workouts in between, but when we focus on kickboxing, martial arts, and how to better our mind, how to focus, how to stay sharp, and our body movements. And yeah, I want to do more functional exercises in the area of martial arts and kickboxing. You might see me do some with some swords, some sticks, but yeah. So a lot of great things coming.
Workout complete.
Workout complete. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.